In this demonstration, you will learn how to create a branch. Let's switch to my command line. Here in our repository, let's write git status, and you can see we are on the branch main. This is our default branch. When you work on bigger projects, you usually want to implement features isolated in your own branch. Then you are not affected if changes are applied to the main branch while you are working on your feature. To create a branch, you use the git branch command. Then you can just specify a branch name. Let's say the feature is to add a Twitter handle to this readme.txt file. So let's call the branch add Twitter handle. Instead of calling it just like this, I usually use the prefix feature / and then the name of the feature, or if it is a bug, I use bug / and then the name of the bug. If you track your bugs and features in an issue tracking system, you have usually a unique number for your bugs and features. Then you could also use that number here instead of this name. This would allow you to make a connection from your branch to the issue in the issue tracking system. In this case here, let's call the branch just feature add Twitter handle. Now let's move the cursor to the end of this line and let's hit enter. To see the branches, you just write git branch, and when you hit enter, you see now here our new branch and here also the main branch. The main branch is green and has a star in front of it because we are currently on that main branch. You see this here by looking at the status. To go now to the other branch, you use the git checkout command. Let's write here feature / add Twitter handle. And now let's hit enter. Now you see here the message switched to branch feature / add Twitter handle. This means when you write now git status, you can see that you are now on that feature branch. So now let's go to the readme file and let's write here Twitter and I add here my Twitter handle. I press Ctrl S to save this. Now let's go again to the command line. When you write now here git status, you can see we have that modified readme.txt file. So let's clear the screen and let's use git add dot to add that readme.txt file to the staging area. Now let's write again git status and you see changes to be committed is that readme.txt file. So next, let's create here a git commit and let's set the message to add Twitter handle. I hit enter to create this commit. Now let's look again at the status of our feature branch. As you can see, nothing to commit, the working tree is clean. So now you have implemented this Twitter handle feature on this feature branch. The next step is to merge this feature branch back into the main branch. Let's do this in the next clip.